Hi everyone, I'm getting ready to head to Florida to visit my family, so I thought I would record a quick video for you today. The last time I traveled, I did a what's in my carry-on bag video for you, and I will link that up above in the cards in case you are interested in checking that out. But today I thought I would share with you what is in my purse for travel, because I don't think I've ever done a what's in my purse video, and I thought you might like to see what I take with me when I travel as far as what's in my purse. So I usually bring a fairly large purse for travel just because it carries more, and so I can fit more items in the stuff that I have to take as carry-on. And then I'll stick in a small purse or something to have with me on the trip, but for the plane I do take a bigger purse. This one I've had for a number of years now. It's Michael Kors. I don't remember the exact name of the style. I can try to look it up for you, and if I find it, I will link it down in the information box for you, but it was a few years ago, so I don't know for certain if they have this exact style, but I'll try to find one similar. And I went with a classic black because, believe it or not, at the time I did not have a lot of black bags. And as I said, black is classic. This is probably the most expensive bag I've ever gotten. I am a fan of Michael Kors. I'm just not a fan of the price tag, but my husband did get this for me as a gift, which was very kind of him, and I still love using it. So it's the one I'm taking with me this time. As you can see, it does have handles here, but it also has the shoulder strap, which is great for travel as well. So I will just dive right in. So it's got these two large side pockets as well as a middle zipper pocket. So I'll start over here with this side pocket, and in here I've got my sunglasses, because of course when you're going to Florida you need sunglasses. And then I've got a few snacks for the plane, some peanut butter crackers, my go-to standby, and some Oreos that are in a convenient travel pack, because when I travel, I don't always have time to stop and eat, and I can get hungry sometimes, so I like having snacks. And then I also have these for snacks. They're Hello Panda little chocolate cookies. They came out for trick or treat, and Scott got them for me because they're pandas and he thought they looked yummy, so I've got a couple of those. Again, in convenient travel sizes. And that's everything for the main pocket, and then there are some smaller, you can't see because it's too dark, but there are some smaller side pockets within that pocket where I've got gum, a must-have when traveling. This isn't my usual type. Usually we'd have the pure gum, but this is the one I have at the moment, so that's what I'm taking. Tissues, because you never know when your nose is going to start running. So that's everything for that pocket. Of course, my camera is also in my bag, but I'm using my camera right now, so that's why I can't show you. So now for the middle pocket, which does zip, which is why I keep more important items in there, like my wallet. Very important, my passport, because you might be saying, well, Erin, you're only traveling to Florida. Why take your passport? Well, they're going to be changing over to that Real ID, and it's not a requirement in the state that I live. It is optional, but I also just had to renew my license because it's expired this year, and so I have one of those temporary paper ones, which they might not accept, so I've got my passport in case they don't. My little headphone pouch. I always have to have two headphones because one works with my phone and one works with my laptop, and that's everything for that middle pocket. Of course, my phone will be in there as well, but I have that out for the moment. And then on the other side pocket, I've got all of my liquids in a clear bag as they request. I usually don't have a lot of liquids because I put the majority of them in my carry-on because I just don't like to have to deal with them on the plane, so I keep it minimal. More snacks in case I need a sugar fix. Got some Twizzlers, my hairbrush, and then there are some other side pockets on the inside of that side pocket, but I have nothing in those. So that is everything that is in my purse for travel. It's probably the most organized that my purse usually is because I've cleaned everything out and only taken what I need for this particular trip. And it might not seem like a lot, but I have the majority of stuff in my carry-on backpack just because I like to keep only in my purse the things I need to grab quickly and have handy. So that's what I have for this trip. Please let me know if you would like to see any other travel videos from me. I would be happy to do that for you, and let me know what those videos might be. Stay tuned, because if I haven't already, I'm going to be posting travel vlogs from my recent trip to Florida that I'm just leaving for today, but I will post those vlogs most likely after this video, but I will let you know on all my social medias, and I will link anything for you that I think you would like to see. But I am going to be vlogging while I'm there, so keep an eye out for that. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye!